today we are going to learn about map skills. There's only two things that they can test you on. The first thing is the distance. Second thing that they can test you on is also the area. Okay? Before we even start doing this, I will teach you how to read the map. Example, if I have a map, this is the map. Okay, first point is here, second point is here. Let's say this is Pasir Ris. Pasir Ris, I will write it as PR, and this is Jurong. Okay, this is the distance from Pasir Ris to Jurong. In every map, they will always put a scale. A rough idea of a scale will be 1 is to 200,000. Okay, let's say this is a map. So what you need to know is what, the first thing, you need to know what does this mean? What does the scale mean? One is to 200,000 actually means 1 centimeter is to 200,000 centimeter. 1 centimeter on the map is equivalent to 200,000 centimeter in real life. Okay? I repeat again, 1 centimeter on the map is the same as 200,000 kilometer in real life. Okay, the question we always ask you, find the distance of Pasir Ris to Jurong in real life. Let's say from here to here is about 8 centimeter. So what is the distance of Pasir Ris to Jurong in real life? Okay. Okay, 1 centimeter is to 200,000 centimeter. Okay, to change centimeter to meter, you must divide by 100. 1 centimeter is to how many meters? I divide by 100. I must remove 2 zeros, right? 1, 2. So I will get 2,000 meter. Everybody agree with that? After you get meter, you convert it to kilometers. Convert it to kilometers is dividing by 1,000, right? So it's removing 3 zeros. So what I get is 1 centimeter is to 2 kilometers. Okay? I'll recap again. From centimeter to meter is divide by 100. Divide by 100. From meter to kilometer is divide by 1,000. So 1 centimeter on the map is equivalent to 2 kilometers in real life. Let's go back to the last 2 slides. So you know that from Pasir Ris to Jurong is actually 8 centimeters on the map. So what is 8 centimeters in real life? Look here. Now I want 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. From 1 centimeter to 8 centimeters is actually a multiplication of 8. Agree? I will remove this first. Okay. If I multiply one side by 8, the other side I must also multiply by 8. So 2 multiplied by 8, I will get 16 kilometers. So the distance from Pasir Ris to Jurong is 16 kilometers. Is it possible to get 16 kilometers? It actually is. If you get your answer in meter and also in centimeter, always think in your head, does that make sense? Does 16 meter make sense for Pasir Ris to Jurong? It doesn't make sense. So it has to be in kilometers. If your answer is around kilometers, most likely you are correct. Always remember, math is about making sense. It's not about literally times and divide a number. Always make sure it makes sense. If they ask you the reverse question, what is the distance on the map? If you get your answer in kilometer, does that make sense? Can a map be this big? It cannot be this big, right? It's always arm's length. Arm's length is always in centimeter. Always make sure your answer makes sense. So that is how you find the distance. Okay, let me do the reverse. The question will say, the distance from Singapore to KL is 250 kilometers. The scale of the map is given as 1:4:600,000. Find the distance of Singapore to KL on a map. So what do I do? Now that we have this value, the distance in real life and also the map scale, let's go to the first step. 4:600,000. Okay? You know the map will always give you in cm and cm, right? So always put it in cm. 4 cm is to 600,000 centimeter. Okay? The whole idea is to get 1 centimeter is to something. 1 centimeter is to something. So how do I get 1 centimeter? I divide by 4, right? Divide by 4. If I divide by 4, I will get 1 centimeter is to 600,000. I divide by 4, I will get 150,000 centimeter. Okay, I divide by 4 in both sides. Second step you need to do is to get this in kilometers, because the question gives you kilometers, right? So now you need to get it in kilometers. Okay? So, as we learned just now, 1 centimeter you maintain. To get this in meter, for start, I remind again, always do it step by step, unless you have done it hundreds of times that you have processed it in your head. I divide it by 100 first, remove 2 zeros, I will get 1500. Okay? Then I get it in kilometers. I must divide another 1000. So 1 centimeter is to 1.5 kilometers. Okay? So now the map scale is this. 1 centimeter is to 1.5 kilometers. You know the actual distance is 250 kilometers. Your scale is 1 centimeter is to 1.5 kilometers. Okay. Now, they want 250 kilometers. So what is the scale on the map? What is the scale on the map? From here to here, I must multiply by what? You don't know, right? What to multiply. So what you do is simple. 250, I divide by 1.5. I will get 166. Okay? From here to here is a multiplication of 166. If the right hand side I multiply by 166, the left hand side I must also multiply by 166. Okay? So the answer here is 166 cm. So now think back in your head. Is 166 cm logical to be on a map compared to 166 meter compared to 166 kilometer? It's logical, right? So the answer is 166 centimeters. Okay? Okay, let's say on the map. And this is Sengkang. I'll put it as SK, okay? This is the only thing left that they can ask you on map question. Let's say the area of the map of Sengkang is 4 centimeter square. What is the actual area of Sengkang in real life? Like always, map will always give you a scale. Let me give you a random scale of 1:180,000. Okay? I'll be repeating this over and over again so that you get it. So first thing that you always do, is always look at the scale and look at the question, what do they ask? In meter square or in kilometer square? So in this context, let's say they want to say, find the area of Sengkang in meter square in real life, or they call it actual. Okay, find it in meter square. So I'll just put it here, meter square. Okay, so this is what we are gunning for. So now, simple. Always look at the map. Scale. 1 centimeter is to 180,000 centimeter. Okay? Like always, convert it to the final unit that you want. So the question is asking you for meter square, right? So get it in meter. So 1 centimeter is to divide by 100. I will get 1800 meter. Okay. So here's the thing that you need to do. This is the important part. When they want it in square, always square it when you have 1 centimeter. Okay. So you square both sides. Once you get the supposed unit that you want, you square both sides. Square. One square will be 1 centimeter square. Okay, I'll put it in red so you all will emphasize on this. 1800 square, I will get 3240 000 unit, never forget the unit, meter square. Every time when you square something, always put the unit so you know what you are dealing with. Okay? So now the question says Sengkang is actually 4 centimeter square. To get 4 centimeter square, to get 4 centimeter square, this one I must multiply by 4. This one I must multiply by 4. Okay, so I'll do the calculation. 12960. Okay, so this is how you do it. Here is the crucial part. This whole chunk is the crucial part that you need to take note of. Always find the unit that they want. After that, you need to square it first, where it is 1 centimeter square. I repeat again, find the n unit that they want. The n unit they want it in meter square, right? And also square it. Once you get 1 centimeter is to something. Okay, with the same question, why don't we try if they want it in kilometer square? What if they want it in kilometer square? I'll put it here so everybody will know. First, they want the n answer to be in kilometer square, right? So I convert this in kilometer first. If I convert this in kilometers, I will get 1 centimeter is to, I divide by 1000, right? So it will be 1.8 kilometers. Okay? Here comes the crucial step. Crucial step is to square both sides, like how we did just now. 1 cm times 1 cm, I will get 1 centimeter square is to 1.8 square, I will get, hold on, I'll do the calculation. I'll get 3.24. 3.24 kilometer square. Here is the crucial part. I'll highlight it again. Okay, I'll highlight it again. This is the crucial part. You need to square both sides. So now, sengkang is actually 4 centimeter square, right? So I need to multiply by 4. If I multiply one side by 4, the other side also I must multiply by 4. I will get 12.96. 12.96 kilometer square. And this is your final answer. Easy. I'll recap again. Change it to the unit that you want for the final answer for this question. After that, you square both sides. Always square both sides. Finally, get the distance or area that you want from the question.